Hey guys, I'm so happy that you guys are here watching. I know I've been gone for a really long time, but I'm back and I promise I'm back for good. I'm going to be reviewing the Clarisonic today. I'm going to be reviewing the foundation head. This thing is super expensive. It's $169. Yikes. I'm really excited to review it. I'm gonna see if it's actually worth the coin, if it's not worth the coin. Am I gonna use the beauty blender the whole entire time, and is this thing gonna flop? I don't know. I'm excited. Let's keep watching and see what happens. I need to stop drinking pop. Pop is not good for you. I already did my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown, dark brown. And then I also use this new concealer that I'm trying out today. It is the Shape Tape in medium. I always use my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in caramel, but I wanted to try something new and I'm almost like done with this. So I was just like, let me try something new. Let me go grab something new. I'm really excited. I really liked how it blended out. It's really nice. It's matte, but then it's not like dry matte. I love it. I already did my eyes. I used the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and then I also used this like Make Your Own palette by MAC. I used these two neutrals and this like champagne pink. Actually, no, it's like kind of rose gold pink, but everything that I use for all of this today will be in the description box below. Do you guys know how excited I am? Like, I am so excited. This is the Clarisonic Mia 2, the Glow Getter Cleanse and Blend Set. Ooh, nice. Okay, so basically, this comes with two heads. It comes with the Sonic Foundation brush head, and it comes with the Radiance brush head. I'm excited. I hear really good reviews about this foundation brush, but then also like you'll hear good reviews about anything and then you'll try it yourself and it's like trash. So this being so expensive, I'm excited, but I'm a little skeptical. Like, I really want to see if it works or not, and then I really want to see if it's worth its money or not, because this is not cheap. This was their holiday gift set, and they usually don't do holiday gift sets. They usually don't even do discount codes, but they did this with Ulta, and then I'm pretty sure that like Sephora had like this holiday gift set too. But comparing this to my $20 beauty blender and my $16 Fenty beauty sponge, like, you know, I was giving them coins away and I was just like, I want my coins back, but then I also want a really nice, you know, foundation on my face, you know. Yeah, you know, let's get on into it. Clarisonic is written across the box. Right when you open it up, it's like a little welcome to Clarisonic. Yeah, all that fun jazz. And then there is your Mia 2. This is the Radiance brush head. And then the charger for this, I'll show you guys real quick. I saw on their page how to put it on, and then the charger back, and then this fun thing that we're gonna be getting into. Side note, I love the fact that they have like these little caps on top of them. It's so nice to travel with. It says their logo on the front of it, and then this is their Radiance brush head. Let me show you guys what the Clarisonic looks like. So this is what it basically looks like. It is so cute. And then it goes, I think, one level up, and then that's pretty much it, and then you can turn it off. And then one side note, I wanted to show you guys how to put the charger on. This is really cool. So literally, I was just like, I saw like on their website like all the stuff that comes with it, blah blah blah, like I was doing some research, and then I was just like, how does that go on there? And then they showed me, and it's basically these little two things attach onto these little things. I think that's so cool. And then you charge it like that, and you put the back in it, and you know, everything is already done for you. So I was thinking that half of my face I do the Clarisonic with, and the other half I do it with my handy dandy beauty sponge from Fenty Beauty. I love this sponge so much. It's like so soft. I know this is weird, but it's like softer than the beauty blender. Okay, so attached it, you know, did what I had to do. I I attached it, and then let's see. That is so cool to me. So today I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 360. Excited. This is like my go-to foundation. I love this foundation. I love a lot of stuff from her brand. It's amazing. So on one side, I'm gonna go on with the Clarisonic. It's gonna be on my right side. And then on the other side, I'm gonna go on with the Fenty Beauty sponge. I love that sponge, man. It's $16. It has a really nice slope to it. It literally can blend foundation really nice, and then it also washes out easily. Okay, so let me do my Fenty sponge first. And then go in with my Clarisonic. I love you, Rihanna Beauty Blender, forever. I'm trying to really like do half and not like go over like my invisible line I have drawn out in my head. Oh, that looks really good, guys. Oh, let me back. Damn. Where'd the foundation go? Do you guys see? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Okay. It is like blending out amazing. Like I don't even know where the foundation went. You guys, I don't mind it. Like I love the fact that on this side, like this side matches this side, because I really thought it wouldn't, but like I love it. I love it. I love my beauty sponge. I'm always gonna have my beauty blenders and my beauty sponges, but this thing, man, this is like a game changer. You just click it, like click. The grip of it is amazing. The vibration is not too overwhelming. It's really nice. It doesn't disrupt the way that your hand holds it, so like you're just like ready, like you're done deal, like you're ready. But still, even though I love it, let's just try to see if it like holds on to like my concealer. Like let's see. I really love this. I'm going in with the Rihanna Matchstick in Truffle. I'm in love, you guys. Like I'm literally in love. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Like, please tell me you see that. Let's try to go in with my beauty sponge from Fenty Beauty. Okay. It's kinda like, I just like the fact that right when you put it on your face, with the product on your face already, it just makes it so smooth. Like it just literally combines everything together, like the bristles, your face, the vibration, like it just goes on so smoothly. With this one, you literally like have to make sure you don't have like a harsh line, and like you have to blend, you know, like with the Clarisonic, it's very effortless, you know, like you literally just have to be there. I know the Clarisonic can't reach up to my nose, so I'm just gonna blend out my nose contour with my Fenty Beauty sponge and just set in that highlight real quick. Now, if you guys can kind of tell, this side and this side is more harsh to me than this side. It's because basically when you blend out with a beauty blender, you literally have to blend. But I want to show you guys real quick with the Clarisonic, like you just glide it. Literally, you just have to glide it over, and like it's it's more natural looking. I know that sounds weird, like we're using makeup, and yes, like there's nothing about my highlight and my contour right now is like super natural, all right? And this like eyeshadow is not like the naturalist looking eyeshadow, but the way that literally when you put it on your face and it just glides the makeup into place, like where it needs to be, is what I'm like literally obsessed about. Like I don't think I'm ever gonna use anything else. Let's just try with my chin. I don't like it for my chin highlight. I kind of don't like the way that it blended my chin. It kind of took all the product and all the brightness of the product and kind of spread it apart but kept it in place at the same time. I don't like that. I like the way that my beauty sponge usually blends it out proper. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer with my beauty sponge, cause girl, you guys, I love how everything looks. Everything looks really good. It looks blended. It looks nice. I love it. I'm just gonna put some setting powder on. I'm gonna put some lashes on. I'm gonna bronze a little bit, and I'll be right back. You guys, this is the final product. I did not put on lashes. I kind of didn't want to. I wasn't in the mood to. I was like, I want to have like a natural look, but it's really like everything opposite from natural. You know, highlight, blush, lips, bronzer, everything went on seamlessly. This is amazing. Like this is the first time I've ever tried it, and it just literally glided my makeup on my face. Looks like it was effortless. It looks really amazing. I just love it so much. I recommend it. Yes, it is expensive. I really thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I love it. I love this thing so much. They also have different types of brushes. They also have different types of brush heads. I love this thing. It really does make your makeup look airbrushed, flawless. A little bit goes a long way. I would say one tip is if you're using a foundation that is high coverage or super matte, to kind of go quickly and to use less of it so you can try to build it up instead of like just splattering it on and then just going in with this. But this is a Mona approved product. I love this thing so much. I'm gonna be using it so much, and I'm just excited for the future of me and my little Clarisonic. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I know I've been gone for a really long time, but I'm back for good. Make sure to like and subscribe this video, and also make sure to follow me on all my social medias where I am always in tune with you guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.